Sometimes you want to automate a process or simulate the build process from the command line to remove any of the other dependencies when you're building something, or you like to automate it and see how it works in the server for a CI/CD type of scenario. To do that from the command line, you'll type /gradlew :app and assemble debug. This will then kick off the build. Depending upon your machine and if you have everything downloaded already, it could take a few seconds to milliseconds to a couple of minutes to build this. So here we see it's compiling the debug for the Kotlin, Java, etc., dexing, and it has built in about 12 seconds. The more complex your application gets, the more Kotlin files you have, the more modules you have, the longer your build is going to take. Please understand that. So now we have built the application. We can actually install the application now inside of the emulator using, and let's make sure the emulator doesn't have it. So let's uninstall this old version that we had in our emulator before. Get rid of that one. And now we can install this one by doing Gradle app install debug. And this will install it to the connected device. So it's installed on one connected device. We open it up. There it is again. We'll open it, get the prompt for the permission, and now we have our application running as well. Now we've assembled the debug version, but what if we wanted to actually grab the install file to maybe install on a physical device? Where would those files be? And they would be inside of our application folder, our app folder, and then inside of build, you'll see that it's orange, which means that it is ignored from our search output and so forth. So we'll open to build, we'll go into outputs, APK, which is an Android package, and then we're gonna see app debug.apk. Now you could take this file and just right click on it, and you could say open in Finder, or if you're using Windows, I think it'd be open in Windows Explorer. And you could take this app debug.apk file and you could then install it onto a physical device, and it would actually run the application as long as the base URL was accessible from that new device. And that's how you can build directly from the command line.